passion, I'ma lift you up before I throw you out. Cause you can live your life sitting down. I'm a king, I'm a boss. I'ma spend, let it cost. Let me live my life with bliss in the fast lane. I'ma be on top of the world, watch it happen.
I'm a best man, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'ma shock you 7 days a week, I'll be up all night. Day and night, day and night.
All day and night, all day and night, all day and night. Living life to the maximum. All day and night, all day and night, all day and night. I'll be up all night. Living life to the maximum.
Hey guys, it's Alex back at it again with another interview day with, let's see who we can find out. We're here today at EPPERSON Lagoon on our GT rally. All right, let's see who we can grab here. I think I see our wonderful Matt. Oh, hey Matt. Hey, how's it going, Matt? Wait, I need both Matts. I need both of Matts. All right, your name?
Matt.
Also Matt.
Wow.
Your car?
I have a C8 Corvette, green.
Lamborghini Gallardo twin turbo, also green.
Oh, so we have Matt twins. All right. Your favorite part so far about this rally?
Ooh, I think the back roads, I don't know if everybody got to experience it, but the back roads were sick.
Okay.
I was going to say boobs and ass, but I think that would be completely inappropriate right now, so I'm going to also say...
No, be inappropriate. It's okay.
Say it. We condone it. We condone it.
We can edit it.
My favorite part of the rally is boobs and ass, but
We love boobies and ass.
But no, we're gonna go with the turnpike when I can hit 186.
Ooh, and we love to hear it. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I'll talk to you later. All right, let's see who we got here. Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's go on over here to our wonderful, beautiful cabanas. All right. So today, what we started at the Porsche dealership, like we usually do. And we had our little driver's meet with a whole bunch of people. I'm meeting a lot of new faces, some old friends. It's great. We actually thought it was gonna rain. It's not. It's actually great hot weather, maybe a bit too hot. So let's see who else we can grab around here. Hi. Sweetie, can I ask you a few questions? Okay, my name is Alex. Hi, how are you?
Hi,
What's your name, sweetie?
Jay,
Jay? Okay, how old are you?
6.
And what is your favorite part about this rally?
I love swimming in the pool.
The pool? Have you gone on the slides?
No, I that's 10 minutes and I can go and slide.
Got it. Okay. Is there anything else you want to say to the camera?
No,
Okay, thank you. Have a good one.
okay.
All right, let's go on over to our favorite party people. Ladies, beautiful ladies. I think this is what we mean by boobies and ass right here. I interviewed Matt earlier, and he said his favorite thing about this rally is boobies and ass.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So what is your favorite? Oh, your names. I'm so sorry.
Desire. I'm D.
That's hot. And your favorite part about the rally?
Honestly, the cars. I love the cars.
Cars, all the fast, exotic, different variety, fast, turbos, hot girls, the sun, the pool, all of it.
I see you were driving something different.
Yeah, I have a IS 200T.
And how long have you had that?
I've had it for about 2 years now, 2.5 years.
Nice. And you drive with Matt.
I'm with Matt. I'm in the Gallardo.
Anything else you want to say to our friends back at home?
Where is home for you?
Here, but not really.
Here. Is it Orlando?
Oh, Orlando.
So, get into a car club.
Specifically,
GT
Rally. Let's go. All right, thank you. All right, let's go over here. Oh, I have a new friend here. Hey, hot stuff.
Oh, hello.
Hi, I'm Alex. I am the official interviewer for GT Rally. Your name, please.
My name is Liz.
Hot. And your car?
His car.
Your car? Y'all's car? Y'all's car?
Y'all's car.
So this is my this is my wife, my amazing wife, and also my co-pilot. We are in a 2015 Chevy Camaro. So yeah.
And what is your favorite part about the rally?
Favorite part about the rally is just like honestly the like-minded people and the meetups and basically the networking that you have between all of these people who share a specific love for cars. We were all brought together for cars. There's an old saying. It's called called Cup Gang, which means cars unite people, and that's true no matter where you go around the world. You can have someone that speaks a completely different language than you, but if you have a mutual appreciation for something like cars, then it brings you all together, which is one thing I love about GT Rally and just rallies in general.
Okay, one more. Was this your first GT Rally? Yes. He said yes, and that is a lot coming from a first timer. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy, okay?
Oh, absolutely.
Thank you.
I think you're beautiful, by the way.
Oh no, you. Thank you. You. Alrighty. All right, we got our party people cabana over here. This is our last stop before I go and get sloshed. I mean, yeah. Oh my God. Hey.
Hey.
What do you mean? This is me. Right there. Hi guys, I'm over here in the party cabana with our friend Branko.
What's up? What's up?
All right, what do you drive?
Right now I'm in the Can-Am.
Okay, and what is your favorite part about the rally today?
The drinks.
Nice. And is this your first GT rally?
It's not. I've been loyal since the first one.
He has vouched. Anything you would want to change about the GT rally?
Nothing.
Nothing? Beautiful. All right, thank you. Goodbye. All right, that's it for right now, guys. I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna go get drunk. Bye. Are we still going?
I'm gonna watch you get drunk.
Damn it! This is off camera, Dad. This is supposed to happen off camera. Oh wait, we should go say hi to Mom. Mommy. I only have one question. Do you love me?
Yes.
Okay, I'm done. Bye. And I love them. What? The chicken tenders are a hit. Yeah. Huh? I'm on the news? I am. Do I have a news voice? Thank you. Yes. I think they all went to the slide without me. Here you go, Dad.